What's the difference between a credit card payment due date and the actual reporting date for the credit card? My name is Ryan Alexander from I Teach Credit. What I want to talk about today, guys, is why it's really important to understand the difference, whether you're talking about credit cards or you're talking about charge cards. When you're looking at credit card reporting dates versus their payment due dates, you have to understand this. Your actual payment is due on the due date. Now, when you look at the actual 30-day cycle, you're looking at a 30-day window, okay? Typically, your payment due date is going to be 3 weeks into the month, but the actual reporting date is going to be 1 week later on the last day of the statement cycle. Yes, the last day of the statement cycle is typically going to be a reporting date. What that means is on this date, they're going to take a picture of two things. Did you pay your bill on time? And what's your actual balance on the credit card on the reporting date. So even if you pay your credit card in full, let's say for example, you have $1,000 payment or $1,000 spend every single month, okay? You spend $250 a week, okay? The month of May, we'll just say it's May, you spend $1,000. In June, they're gonna say June 23rd, you've got a minimum monthly payment of $35. You spent $1,000, they'll tell you only have to spend 35 or pay $35. You pay the $35, okay, you're gonna pay a ton of interest, so don't do that. Even if you pay the balance in full on the 23rd, the end of the month, you're still gonna be carrying a balance for the next whole month. So unless you pay your actual current balance, you're still always going to report higher utilization. So this is where I teach my number one rule, my number one tip for all credit people out there, or anybody with regards to trying to build and boost their credit scores. Pay to zero weekly. By learning to pay your credit cards to zero every single week, you'll never miss a payment, never pay a penny of interest, you'll never have credit card debt run away from you, you'll have nice low utilization, which will increase your credit score and your credit limits. And then by using credit cards for every single purchase possible, you too will be able to earn some of the finest points so that you and your family can travel the world. If you want to learn more, make sure you hit that follow button. If you have any questions, put them down below and I'll make sure to cover that in the next video.